Good evening, Ms. Mela, and good evening, all of my friends. Today, I would like to explain about the impact of internet on English language development. Before that, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Iputu Mertajaya, and I'm 0136. Here, the table of contents consists of introduction, main discussion, conclusion. And then start from introduction. What is internet and English language in general? The Internet, or literal meaning interconnected network, is a global system of internet-connected computer network using the Internet Protocol Suite to connect devices around the world. This ranges from network consisting of private network, public, academic, business, and local government network to global in scope with variety of electronic, wireless, and optical network technologies. The Internet provides a variety of information, resources, and services, such as interrelated hypertext document and World Wide Web application, electronic mail, telephone, and file sharing. And then English in general. English is a language used as a medium of communication and as the first international language to be used to interact with others around the world. English is the third most widely spoken mother tongue worldwide after Mandarin and Spanish. English is also used as a second and official language by the European Union, Commonwealth of Nations, and the United Nations, as well as various other organizations. And then next we have English is the language of internal communication. Although English is not the most spoken language in the world, it is the official language in 43 countries and is spoken as the first language by around 400 million people worldwide. For example, Japanese students learn English. And then next we have the impact of internet on English language development. Positive impacts. You can learn about English so easily. As you can see, this is an example was from Guruku MRD Instagram account that is useful for increasing knowledge about idiom in English. Like, pull up your string, jalur orang dalam, call it a day, cukup buat hari ini, stand a chance, masih ada harapan, change. And then, still in positive impact. So many information about English. Is an example video posted on Guruku MRD Instagram account. It's more helpful to get information about English. And then negative impact, like harsh word. As you can see, this is an example of harsh word on Guruku MRD Instagram account, like not no loser, go to hell, you are full of shit. And then we move to main discussion. Mr. D, as known as Mr. Dennis, an American actor and teacher. Mr. D, just by opening an Instagram account, Guruku MRD, diligently uploads videos containing English teaching material that are delivered hilariously. He also often chooses teaching material that are close to the daily life to make it easy to understand. For people, learning English is not an easy thing. It takes intention and concentration to be able to understand and also memorize English material ranging from vocabulary, grammar, to the use of the right tenses. And then next we have what the function of English in this setting. As communication tool to convey material. And then this account usually creates contents about English and share knowledge of English with all its followers. And then next we have how does the internet influence the use of English in this setting? And then what are the form of English issues? You can see on Guruku MRD Instagram account use formal and informal language. And then in what way they are different from standard English communication? On the Guruku MRD account, I see the difference in the way the material delivered. The explanation is very easy to understand. Let's make it different from standard English communication. And then next we have conclusion. In conclusion, as the most spoken language in the world, English holds a huge part in communication. International business does well because of English. It helps people when they are using technology. Product adults grow up technology increasing continuously, and then the internet helps us with fact and figure information and knowledge for personal, social, and economic development. And then Instagram was chosen because at this time Instagram is very popular among the public and in particular. At Guruku, MRD account is one of the best educational Instagram account. And then so that's all about the impact of the use of internet. Thank you for attention.